Alright, folks, this one's going to be a short one. I'm actually going to be cross-posting this to Twitter as well. It's really just a question. Would anyone be interested in a video of my father and I, maybe my nephew and brother as well, installing a hitch, which you can see that box, still getting used to pointing when I'm not looking, that box has my hitch for my 2020 Tacoma. I didn't buy one from Toyota because it would have been about $800, and then installation as well. And I got that for $180 with the wiring harness, and my dad and I could do the work. So let me know. Would you be interested in a video of an old man, an older man, a punk kid, and the old man's little brother, who's almost an old man, installing a trailer hitch on a truck? It won't be until at the earliest Saturday, if not Sunday. And after that, my videos may take a bit of a hit because as time and quarantine allows, I'm going to have my dad with me in the parking lot of his office, his work, which is a funeral home, learning how to pull and back up a trailer because I haven't done it in over 20 years. So let me know. Would you be interested? Would this be something you'd like to see? Little projects here and there, kind of breaking up the monotony of me sitting in a chair talking to a computer. As always, be civil in the comments, please. This one is much simpler. Make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, that way you're in the drawing for the giveaway, and like and share the video to expand the conversation and the channel. Until next time, everyone, have a wonderful day.